Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make quiche vegetarian. We will explore creating a delightful and satisfying meal without any meat. Quiche is incredibly versatile, allowing for many creative vegetable combinations. You will learn about selecting the best vegetables, crafting a rich egg and dairy custard, and achieving a perfectly baked golden crust. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into a truly impressive dish that everyone will love, whether for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Selecting the right vegetables is key to a fantastic vegetarian quiche. Consider vibrant options such as sautéed spinach, caramelized onions, roasted bell peppers, or earthy mushrooms. It is crucial to cook your vegetables beforehand to remove any excess moisture, which prevents a soggy quiche. For example, gently sautéing spinach until wilted and squeezing out the water makes a big difference. This step concentrates their flavors and ensures a firm, delicious filling. The heart of any quiche is its creamy custard. For a standard 9-inch quiche, you will typically need 4 large eggs and about 1½ cups of dairy, which can be whole milk, half and half, or heavy cream for extra richness. Whisk these together with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a touch of nutmeg. Incorporate about 1 cup of your favorite shredded cheese, like Gruyere or sharp cheddar, to add a wonderful savory depth to your filling. Once your quiche is assembled, it is time to bake it to golden perfection. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 45 to 50 minutes, or until the center is just set with a slight jiggle and the crust is beautifully golden brown. Allow the quiche to cool for at least 15 minutes before slicing. This resting period is essential for the custard to fully set, ensuring clean, elegant slices. Serve warm and enjoy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.